All right, mates. I had a follower ask about the Bitcoin active addresses and number of active addresses for size of Bitcoin accounts. And so I'm going to follow up. As of January 11th, the number of Bitcoin addresses has risen steadily, obviously. But if we're going to start with addresses that have greater than 0.1 Bitcoin. We currently have, as of January 11th, with Bitcoin trading at about $17,400, we have 4,213,251 active addresses that are holding greater than 0.1 Bitcoin, okay? That's up from June 20th, 2021, when we had 3,151,068 when Bitcoin was at 35,000, okay? So that gives you a little indication of, quote unquote, the shrimps, right? Of those folks holding Bitcoin. But let's look at greater than 1 Bitcoin, okay? Greater than 1 Bitcoin. We are now at, with Bitcoin trading again, about $17,400, 981,633 active addresses holding greater than 1 Bitcoin. Obviously, that's 1 bit to the next level. So at least a Bitcoin. All right. Now that's up from, again, that June, July 2021 of 795,000. So we've seen in the last year and a half a steady rise of these Bitcoin active addresses as Bitcoin prices come down from $70,000, right? We've seen that level, 68 to 70, depending on what exchange you're talking about. We'll look at addresses lastly with 10 Bitcoin, a minimum of 10 Bitcoin. And what have those addresses been doing? Lo and behold, there's 155,412 active addresses as of this morning holding at least 10 Bitcoin in those addresses. That is up from June of 2021, which was 146,000. So we've gained about 9,000 active addresses in the last 16 months, okay? As Bitcoin is falling down at the end of 2022 and into 2023, at least halved from those levels of 2021, right? From about 35, 36 down to like 15 to 17. We've gained 9,000 active addresses now holding at least 10 Bitcoin. Okay? So whatever the narratives are out there about Bitcoin being in decline, doesn't seem so.